Muscle attachments are particularly important to support the movements of the forearm. So let's have a look at these. If you look at the proximal end of ulna, it has two main portions of muscle attachments at the olecranon and the coronoid process. The origination of muscles are labeled as red and the insertion are blue. The olecranon process is an attachment site for several muscle groups, including the flexor carpi ulnaris and anconeus. The major muscle attachment is that of the triceps, which is the triceps brachii muscle. At the supinator crest, a part of the supinator muscle originates from here. Brachialis inserts to the anterior and inferior coronoid process, while the pronator teres originates from the medial surface of it. Flexor digitorum superficialis originates from the medial surface and from the humeral medial epicondyle. Now moving to the shaft of ulna. So talking about the shaft, we have flexor digitorum profundus. It is important to remember that it comes from the upper 3/4 of the anterior and medial surface of the shaft of ulna, but it also originates from the medial surface of the olecranon and coronoid processes and adjacent half part of the anterior surface of the interosseous membrane. Pronator quadratus is a square-shaped muscle originates from anterior and medial surface of ulna. Muscles that cover the distal end of the shaft on its medial surface is that of pronator quadratus muscle. Extensor carpi ulnaris muscle, if you remember, this was the muscle which passes through the extensor carpi ulnaris groove at the distal part of the ulna. Now at the medial portion, there are three muscles: abductor pollicis longus, extensor pollicis longus, and extensor indicis. It also originates from the interosseous membrane. So these are all the muscles that you need to remember for this bone. So we have discussed about the anatomical landmarks and the muscle attachment of the ulnar bone. I hope you have had all the idea about this bone. So thank you so much for your precious time and keep watching sqadia.com.